The new Select Group feature in SimLab Composer offers significant benefits for organizing and managing your scenes more efficiently. This feature allows you to select objects from different groups and add them to a selection group without removing them from their main group. This streamlined process helps improve workflow efficiency and saves time, particularly in complex projects where managing multiple groups is essential. Now let's begin. First, launch SimLab Composer and open your project. Then, select the objects you want to include in the selecting group. Then, in the Scene browser, click on the selection group icon. Then, click on the plus icon to add the selected objects to the selection group. To select the objects inside the tab, click on the Select Group button. To remove objects from the selection group, select the object you want to remove from the selection group, then click on the X icon to remove the selected object. If you want to create a new tab, click on the white plus icon. To change the tab name, double-click on the tab and enter the new name.